Every day, tons of recyclable waste end up in the wrong place. Plastic, paper, aluminum. These materials that could be reused are often ignored or mixed with general trash. So we asked ourselves a simple question. What if a robot could identify and collect recyclable waste automatically? And that idea became our project, EcoRover. But before building the robot, we first had to teach it how to see. And here comes the computer vision. We trained a YOLO V11N object detection model on a custom synthetic dataset containing different types of recyclable materials. After multiple training runs and adjustments, the model finally reached over 80% detection accuracy, which is good enough to run on a Raspberry Pi for real-time inference. Now it was time to build the rover. We started with a simple obstacle avoidance robot powered by an Arduino and two L298N motor drivers and a 3S LiPo battery. The rover runs on a 6-wheel chassis with bow motors, giving it stability and enough torque to move across rough surfaces. But detecting waste was only half the challenge, and moving it happened so easily. The robot was also needed a way to collect it. So we built a 4 degree of freedom robotic arm using MG90S servo motors. And honestly, this part was messy. Several servos burned out during testing, some couldn't handle the torque, others failed during repetitive movement. But after multiple redesigns and adjustments, the arm finally started working the way imagined, right? So it finally worked. Then came the biggest challenge, integration. The Raspberry Pi handled the vision model, the Arduino controlled the rover movement, and the robotic arm performed the collection. But our biggest enemy turned out to be power management. The L298N motor drivers and MG90S servers requires different voltage levels than the 3S LiPo battery, which caused instability in the early tests. After several fixes and power adjustments, the system finally became stable, and then came the moment of truth. In our first test, EcoRover successfully detected and collected 3 types of recyclable waste: plastic, paper, and aluminum. It's still not perfect, but the project shows what's possible when AI, robotics, and a simple idea come together. And this is only the beginning. The next version of EcoRover will be smarter, stronger, and capable of handling even more types of waste. Because one day, robots like this might help make our cities cleaner.